Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesting Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called Brain. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So let's open the terminal. So first we just type here sudo su, enter our password, then later we just type here net discover minus I is 0. So we have identified our target machine is here. Now just type it as nmap minus 34 minus a as an aggressor scan and enter our target IP address. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So it may take a little bit like the time process. So we have got the nmap result. One is available with SH, another one is available with port A. So quite interesting here. Now we would like to go too far as our targeted port 80. Let's come back here. We just enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.179. We can look here where we can look here runnable task, file, task and processor ID, 3 key switches, priority, wait time, some XYZ and some unscreen. We would like to look here. It's like quite interesting here. Okay. Now just copy this one, come back here. We would like to try with the directory buster. Let's just press this. Now later we would like to come back here as nicto minus h. Let's just paste it here. Now we would like to come back here. We didn't get anything else from here, so it's only have a index.php. That's it. Now I would like to try to get utilizing with to try to find argent minus if. Let me just find the right parameter ID 182.168.18.179. We just try here. We not yet discovered anything. Index.php. Let's try. And this index.php. No parameter was discovered. Quite interesting here. Apart from here, with the nicto also is the same thing. If here is not discovered, let me just try here as clear. We would like to try here as wg puts minus c minus u. I would like to put this one when 192.168.18.179. We just put here as a index.php. Then you would like to try to find the right parameter ID equal to put here as etc as password. Then utilize the word list is user share word list, then directory buster directory list 2.3 medium.txt. That's it. Then let me just equalize here as t is 200 minus hc equal to 404. That's it I required here. We can try here is hw is 361. I would like to try to print the right one. hw equal to 361. That's it. Now we can try to print the right parameter ID only. So you can use anything else here, the right parameter ID, like history, images, anything else. In the 361, it's going to be print index images web. So there is a lot of vulnerabilities here. We can get it from here. Now either what we would like to try here, I would like to try here as, let me go here as a index.php auths equal to etc as password, uh, where we would like to look the page source in not get. Now, in this page source not at get, how we would like try to find the right access key here. We didn't get anything else as the right access key here. What we just try here. So I utilize here the right HW equal to 361. It's the right one. I would like to try here. Let me just try here as clear. You just type here as cut minus S. And let me just put here as entirely STP. Enter your target IP address 179 index.php. I would like to put here as a include then. Okay, so I have made a mistake here where here I would like to try to make it here. Let me just clear this. Let me just go back. So in the PHP place, I need to put here as question mark. Then we can find the right parameter ID. Even it's the same thing, even if you put the same thing also here, puts we can utilize a software 16. It's the same thing we are getting here. Let me try here as with uh, include equal to as etc as password. Let's just try here. Yes, I have got here one username is with the ben, another one is with the systemd and sshd. That's it, quite interesting. Now utilizing this here, now let's where home with the ben and bin bash, we not get anything else. So this is root user bin. So where with the mail, that's it here. We didn't get anything else from here. So we try the local file inclusions, but it's quite clear. Now, code dumper here is same thing. I would like to type here as clear. Now, we can utilize here as proc. Then let me just try here as uh, set debug. We would like to try to get the debug information. It's not yet get anything else. Proc here as a schedule for the debug. We didn't get as much. I try to get here the information. Let me just look the page source. It's also the same. Once we came here also, it's the same thing, but we didn't get anything else from here. So how we would like to try to get this? Uh, if you would like to try here as So, I think we have made a mistake here. Let me, I would like to delete this, then let's just put here. Yes, I have got this. So let me just copy, come back here. So in this case, I just need to put underscore. Let's just print this results. I have print this results. Here, let's, we would like to look here where we can get entirely the system rules. So let me, I try to look in the view page source. Let me, I just make it as a little bit big. So schedule this one, then where systemd kth rpcu, where let's look here KOR. So where we would like to try to look here, we didn't get the right thing, so we can find the passwords. So let me, I just put here as a ben. So you can look here, I have find the ben and the password. Quite interesting here. Let me, let's go back here, ben and the password here. Quite interesting. Like you can utilize this one, this uh, bench. So let's come back here. Let me just quit here. Let me just type here as clear. You just type here as search band. Enter your target IP address 192.168.18.179. It's as permission yes. Then paste that password. So we have successfully logged into the band where we have seen here. Now we have seen this, we just type id, we have got it here. We just type plus minus f, we have got it here. Just type cat user.txt, we have find user flag. Now just type here as sudo minus f, it's like a wz foods again. So what we would like to write here, let me, we would like to try to find as to be writable is 2 is greater than dev or null. Then let's go for here as grep minus v minus I minus a, then proc. So let me, I just need to get this run system, the development. That's it. Let's, I would like to try to get here. So where we would like to get this, a packages for payload. So in this case, let me, I just type it as cat. Let me just paste this. Where we would like to add this. We would like to try to add these files. Uh, where we would like to try to add. So let me, we would like to look here as let me, I just type here as clear, I just put here as nano. Let me just put here, come back. I would like to put here as, I think, let me, I would like to try to add here as first import OS, then os dot system. Then like just put here as bin bash. So I think no need to write like this. Control O, Control X. Now I just type here as sudo wz puts minus c minus jet range 1 to 2. So I have successfully get here the root access. So no need to worry anything else for this. So let's come back here as root list minus f get root.txt. So where we have find the root flag. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.